a look at this universal stroller organizer. Now this is a super neat product. It comes with a whole bunch of things. What I love is that if you ever push a stroller, you'll see that this is not very sturdy, and if you have an open container, it will spill. So you can plop any bottles, any water bottles into the stroller organizer, and it shows just like that. Now, the other thing that you can do is have containers. It has, like, you can keep anything that you need into it. You can just stuff a mask in here. It's right there, convenient for you. There's zippers. And one of the best parts is it actually comes with a place where you can put your phone. So if you're going on a walk and you want to talk to someone on the phone, have your phone here, have your headphones in, and you can take a stroll with your baby. There's ample pocket space, pockets everywhere. You can put your cards in there, so it's really